Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stalker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the du command that reports on disk usage, whether individual files or entire directories. Here's a very simple example. Now, by default, the du command is going to report file sizes in kilobytes. If you want to use a more human-friendly format, you can add the -H option, and it will adjust the reported file size according to the size. So here, that file is 342 megabytes, and it's a little easier for most of us to understand, where if we look at a smaller file, you can see it reports that in kilobytes. You can also list the size of individual home directories along with a total for all of the directories by adding a -C option. So here we're going to run as root so we have proper access to the directories in /home. See, we get a size for each home directory and a size at the bottom for everything that's in /home. Now you can also get that same information and add the last update time by adding time, --time, like that, to that command. And there we get the same information, but we see when each of those home directories was last updated. Well, that's your Linux tip for the du command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.